Da gajing temu benelek ben kentiu ki samla ke distrik Ribhoi bad ya kayok ke kot jong nongrep. Hagala sengi ublei jong katayo la plepat ba ya ka PrimeHub bad ya ka Processing Unit ban san ya gajing ba beper nau sotrun ha ke snong Umdihar ha ke distrik Ribhoi. Kalong kesengi kebansa akan mau nak bentagi pat nongrep ke distrik Ribhoi bat kumjo ke kenhon Integrated Village Cooperative Society IVCS. Kebakurup isibun tri kenhon hapo jongka. Hakaba haka katsau trik unailar arhajar arpulai Menteri rang ba kejelau Conrad kongkal sang mau lalit ban plie ya kejaka ban ai jingikai beper belatip kum ke PrimeHub bat kumjo ke Processing Unit ban san ya sibun kijing bam no sotrun beladat ban shna ha kisnong Umdihar ha ke distrik Ribhoi. Hagini kesengi lawan banedon lang do MLA ke Umsning constituency Dr. Celestine Lyngba ke MDC ke Umsning ikong Magdalene S Maulong bat kiwe. Habakiran ni kesengi Conrad kongkal sang mau ulamat pang halor ke jingmyntoi bagi pat nongrep bat ki kenhun trekam lajong haga distrik Ribhoi kila ban yo lyngba ke PrimeHub bat ka Processing Unit. Kepada hi gejing temu jong ke sorkar jela ban penmi kilat kelinti kumno ban kentiu pat ekayo kokot jong ki nongrep bat ki sengkam lajong. Ulang bakane ke PrimeHub kam day than tang ban kentiu ki kam kijam nrekan day rukalat ban penklan iki kenhun beper bakin nang kiau nak wei ke por syakawai pat ban ya ke bajulong haki por ke belalet no lengba ki jing hikai ban penklan iki nu ki kam ki kerdan beper ha ke bedai pat bat ka Processing Unit Conrad kongkal sang mau lapan pau bakane ke long shisha ke jingmyntoi ke bakrau na ke benta ki nongrep sotrun. Haga bamenta kin lat ni gijing bagi Jumat baru asyikata kam tam ha kebayadai bat kajaka sumar giso bandat na kejing pun hendrai menta on laru bansanya shibun gijing bam no sotrun kum ku umso kajam bat kiwei.
The government has started focusing on certain products which we are producing well but we are not able to market it, and hence we have decided to give a special focus on these kind of products. And pineapple happens to be one of those products. And as you're aware that we have already started marketing the pineapple to other parts of the world and the rest of the country also through a lot of marketing linkages. But at the same time, the best way is to actually have value addition. And hence, if you can see here in the background, we have tied up with a company from Bangalore, and this is now being sliced out here. And after the slicing and all takes place, then we can see that it's been kept out here in this side. If you just pan this side on the right side, and then from here it is taken there in those freezers. You can pan out there in those freezers, and there in the freezers it's kept so that they're able to then package it and then transport it outside. So this is really a pilot project. We are hopeful that we'll be able to do this for other products also. And I must congratulate all the stakeholders and our agencies who have come from other parts of the country also to be part of this program. And successfully, as I said, we have been able to take this. It's a trial run, and hopefully now we will learn from the shortcomings and we'll be able to improve things. And I hope that in the future, the processing sector and the overall packaging sector will really grow in the days to come.